released something called tools in Stackby. So tools basically give you quick features to manage your different views and columns, in Stackby, and give different permissions on different views and different columns in Stackby. So you'll see on the right here, we've got tools, we've got manage columns and manage views. So in the manage views column, you will see for that particular table, all your views will be visible here, and you can essentially add the view description. You can add view description here. You can add collaborators to this particular view, and you will see how many collaborators are added on a particular view, giving access to the entire stack. You can essentially give access to a particular view to your team member. So let's say if you've got a John's view and you only want to give John a particular view access, you can essentially, give John that access. You go here, you add an editor to a view, and let's say I've added a particular team member. So you will see, that particular person is added onto a particular view already with a created access. So this particular user will only get access to this particular view of this particular table instead of the entire stack. You can also rename the view, or you can edit the description, as I said, or you can also delete the view directly from here. So instead of going into individual views, one by one, you essentially just go to tools, manage views, and you can see all your views, with an easy access and an admin panel for your needs. So let us know what you think about this feature.